Physical features of India. Class 9th NCERT, chapter number 2, Physical features of India. Here some points which are described in this chapter. First, location. Second, Himalayan mountains. Third, northern plains. Fourth, peninsular plateau. And fifth, Indian desert. Sixth, coastal plains. Seventh, the islands. First, the location. India has all major physical features of Earth, that is mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, and island. In India, the soil color varies from place to place as it is formed from different types of rocks. India has varied India has varied physical features whose formation can be explained on the basis of the theory of plate tectonics. According to the theory of plate tectonics, the seven major and minor plates that form the Earth's crust keep moving, causing stress and thus leading to folding, faulting, and volcanic activity. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions. पॉइंट नंबर वन है हिमालयन माउंटेन और द नॉर्थन माउंटेन्स एंड सेकेंड नॉर्थन प्लेन्स और द इंडो गंगेटिक प्लेन्स थर्ड पेनिनसुलर प्लेटो fourth the great Indian desert and fifth the coastal plain and sixth the Iceland. The Himalayan mountain. The Himalayas are young folded mountains which are the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. The Himalayas are 2400 km long, 400 km to 150 km wide from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh respectively. The Himalayas have three parallel ranges in the longitudinal extent, namely first Great or Inner Himalayas also called Himadri, second Middle Himalayas or Himachal, third Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. The Himalayas can be divided into four sections. First, Punjab Himalayas between Indus and Saltuj. Second, Kumaon Himalayas between Saltuj and Kali. Third, Nepal Himalayas between Kali and the Tista. Fourth, Assam Himalayas in bracket Eastern Himalayas. This is between Tista and the Dibang in bracket Tisangpo. The northern plains. The northern plains spread over an area of 7 lakh kilometer, 240 kilometer long and 240 kilometer to 320 kilometer broad. The rivers that flow to the plains from the mountains are involved in dispositional work. The difference in relief caused the northern plain to have four regions. First, Bhabar, adjacent to the foothills of Sivalik, a narrow 8 to 16 kilometer wide belt of pebbles and boulders. Second point, Bangar, old alluvial plains which rise above the level of the flowed plains. Third, Khadar, newer and younger alluvial of the flood plains deposited by the river flowing down the plain. Fourth, Tarai, lies adjacent to Bhabar region composed of newer alluvium and is thickly forested. Heading Peninsular Plateau. The peninsular plateau is the tableland formed due to the breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. The plateau consists of two broad divisions, namely the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. The eastward extensions of peninsular plateau are locally known as Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, Baghel, Baghelkhand, and Chota Nagpur Plateau marks the further eastward extension drained by the Damodar River. The Deccan Plateau, a triangular mass, lies to the south of the river Narmada. The western and eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau are marked by the Western Ghat of the Eastern Ghat respectively. The Western Ghat are higher than the Eastern Ghat. The Malwa Plateau is spread across Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and uh, Gujarat and slopes towards the north. Hmm. The fe- the distinct feature of the peninsular plateau is black soil area known as Deccan Trap. Indian desert. The un the undul the undulating sandy plain covered with sand dunes towards the western margins of the Aravalli Hills in the Aravalli Hills is the Indian desert. Crescent-shaped dunes called barchans covered large parts of the Indian desert. Luni is only large river that float in the region. The coastal plain. The narrow coastal strip flank the peninsular plateau. On the west, the coastal strip are divided into Konkan, Mumbai to Goa in bracket, Kannada plain, and the Malabar coast from northern to the southern part. On the east, the coastal strip is divided into northern circus and the Coromandel coast from northern to southern part. The Iceland. The Lakshadweep island group in the Arabian Sea is close to Kerala. The Andaman and Nicobar Island are the two island groups. Andaman Island consists of 204 small islands. India's only active volcano, Barren Island, is situated here. Here, chapter number 2, physical features of India finished. Thanks.